Hi, my name is Matt Hawley with Hawley Home Inspections. Today we're going to inspect an overhead garage door, make sure it's installed properly and all the safeties are in proper use. So before you start, you want to make sure everything is secured to the ceiling properly. Follow your track all the way down where it comes over to the wall and secured to the wall. Then you want to check your other side, your track on the other side. Once you know both your tracks are secured properly, start with your garage door itself. This particular door is an insulated door. The difference between an insulated door and a non-insulated door is this one's got insulation inside of it and it has 2 layers of metal on it. With a non-insulated door, you want to make sure you have the metal tension bar across the top. The next thing you want to find is what kind of spring do you have. This one has a torsion spring on it. If you have an extension spring, it'll run down along the length of the tracks. And it should have a cable that runs inside the spring, so if the spring ever breaks, it can't go anywhere. Then you're going to come back here to the arm for the track to the door. When the garage door itself is down in the closed position, it should be as close to a 90-degree angle as it can be. Then you should have a cord coming off of it, similar to this one. Give your cord a pull, you should hear a pop. Reach up, grab the overhead door. It should pull up freely and smoothly. You go ahead and close it. Once your door is closed, go ahead and hit your button to open your door. Just the same as this one is right now. Once your garage door starts its way back down, you should have a set of safety eyes that are approximately 6 inches off the floor. Be able to move your leg in front of that safety beam and break that, and the door will go back up. Then the next one, take a 2x4, lay down on the ground, approximately underneath the center of the door. As the door comes back down, it applies pressure to the 2x4. If it's adjusted correctly, just like this one, it will start on its way back up. You should always have 2 people with you when you're testing your door. So one person can observe the door itself and a second person can operate the controls. So you don't have to worry about the door being bent or broken in the process. If you do it by yourself, make sure you're backed by the remote buttons, that you're always watching this top panel. If it starts to bend at any time, hit the button and stop it automatically. And get a professional garage door installer to come adjust the door properly. Thank you.
Matt Hawley from
This is Matt Hawley from Hawley Home Inspections.